one of the differences between systematic trading and non-systematic trading is that in systematic trading, you do all of the work and the preparation up front, and then ongoing, it's pretty easy. Making each decision is very quick, right? You just run the scan or run the backtest and it tells you what trade to take. But discretionary trading, the work is ongoing. You've got to analyze every single trade and look at the market conditions and make all the decisions in the moment. So systematic trading, work up front, easy ongoing. Discretionary trading, easy up front, work ongoing. Okay, I much prefer the work up front and easy ongoing, but you've got to do the work. Okay, part of the work is learning the software. Part of the work is understanding how to backtest, understanding the rules, but then also this mental preparation.